wrong.
Okay. And continuing to track this line of storms as it moves through the area, you can notice, if we can go back to the home view.
Sure.
Look how weak it is in southern Indiana, and then look how stronger it gets in Kentucky.
Where your instability is,
right.
where more of the critical ingredients were present, is obviously where you're going to have the stronger storms. Here, it's just kind of, I don't want to say petering out, but I mean it's definitely lost a lot of its structure and linear aspects. However, it is giving us some heavy rain and some gusty winds, and like I said, with this warning down here, that's possibly areas to be included in it. If it continues to keep up its strength, would be eastern Clark, southern Jefferson, Scott County. Areas like that may be included in the severe thunderstorm warning
shortly. I would agree with that. I think that post warrant for this into Clark, especially northern Clark.
Right.
In Trimble and Olam counties, I think
Trimble for sure.
Yes, they need to be on standby. If we can go to the velocity, need to be on standby for winds in excess of possibly 60 miles per hour. And Andy, we pointed that out earlier. Right in here, this is where your winds in excess of 60 mile per hour will be. We told you about 15 minutes ago on the warning further south. I think now that's what's going to happen. We're probably going to get a warning here shortly for northern, eastern Clark County, maybe southern Jefferson, in towards Trimble and Olam counties. So, the potential is there for that warning to go in effect. Further south, still tracking the possible rotation. We lost our analyst technology, so we're going to have to do with what we've got. A little bit of rotation showing up near the Caneyville area, not as impressive as what it once was, but it still exists. So our main threat is severe, like we've told you over the past hour. Salem and south is going to be your main concern. So if you drew a line from Salem and south, that's going to be your main concern of severe weather over the next several minutes. So continuing to track this, remember you can check us out on our live chat. We've got a live chat on the left-hand side of the screen there. We'll update you if you have any questions towards us. We can get those answered to you on our live chat on the right-hand side of the screen.
Yep.
Let's go back to our Storm Vision HD as we continue our coverage, and you can see the tornado warning in effect for Grayson County. Okay, new tornado warning now covers the southern parts of Grayson County and Hart County. So, new tornado warning for this particular cell right here.
There it is right there, yeah.
And that one is showing some pretty good hail with that. Possible quarter size hail with this, moving towards the Brownsville area. So this does affect our viewers in the Hart County area, probably within the next, I'll see what this warning goes for until 2:15. So within the next 30 minutes or so. I feel like I've been saying that all. So we're watching this. This is where your strongest winds are going to be up north, moving in towards the eastern parts of Clark County. Now let's zoom out on a wide view. If you are in Orange, Du Bois, Crawford, Perry, and Hancock counties in Kentucky, you are now clear of the potential for severe. East of that way, not so much. You are still experiencing the possibility of severe storms over the next good 1 to 2 hours. And what we can